Hey guys, Chris from Florida Drone Supply. Today we're going to talk about the CZI LP12 speaker spotlight combo for the DJI M30 and M30T series drone. This mounts directly right on top of the mounting plate on top of the M30 series drone, has a quick button for release and disconnect. Mounting goes right into the top port, plugs right in. You can have this mounted in 2 minutes. The bracket stays on there permanently, so you can take this off when you put it back in the case, quickly slide it on, plug it in, and you'd be ready to go. It weighs 270 grams. It does not affect your flight performance and much on your battery time. You're still gonna have the same, kind of numbers when it comes to all that after you mount this and you're using it on a day-to-day basis. So this has a 200-meter effective sound range at 120 decibels. You can do text-to-speech. You can have pre-programmed messages loaded onto the controller. You can speak directly into the controller. So if you're trying to get a message to somebody that's lost, that you found, doing any kind of public announcement in a disastrous type of scenario, you're trying to get messages out, the saying is extremely loud. I accidentally turned it on to 100% in the office and hit the wrong button. It will blow your ears out, trust me. So make sure you're out in the open when you do this and you have plenty of room to absorb the sound. The lighting on this has an effective range of about 100 meters. And the cool thing about the light, it's all SDK onto the controller, and as soon as you press the light button on here, the light will come on. It has the fully functional stationary light, or you can do a strobe. I won't turn the strobe on for the video because it kind of flickering on the camera. But you can also sync this to the gimbal on the camera. So if I rotate the camera, the light will follow where the camera is going. So you could lock this into one position and have a stationary spotlight straight down or straight out, however it may be. But if you're actively looking and you want something on the screen, wherever you do this camera, it will go up and down with that gimbal. So everything is ready to go at Florida Drone Supply. We have these in stock. You can call us at 855-8-DRONES or visit us at floridadronesupply.com and we'll get you taken care of. You guys have a great day. We'll see you soon.